Come here. Come on, you got it, you got it. Good girl.
Come here, Hera.
Baby Hera's walking down the stairs. Good girl.
Check out my sweet Howard Jones voice, Sipey. When darkness falls. Oop. Yep, didn't like it. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, you don't like Kill Switch Engage? Oh, I'm sorry. Come.
I love you. I love you. Yeah. Stand up. Silver bells. Silver bells.
That's so cruel.
What's wrong with my singing? What's wrong with my singing?
It looks like you're overdoing it. Is it possible for me to get you one workout without you hassling me?
Look at her facials. Baby girl does when she's really hungry. Honey, there's her seal.
It's okay.
He's eating your face.
Oh, Abraham. Okay. Oh. Vas a ver.
Maafin aja.
So if you're feeling blue and you don't know what to do, there is nothing like a twinkle time to make you feel like new. No, there's nothing like a twinkle time to make you feel like new. We're happy you could join us for a good twinkle.
What are you trying to do? Give the cubs nightmares? It's all in fun, said Papa. Maybe so, said Mama, but try to remember, one person's fun is another person's nightmares.
1, 2, 3, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5.
Apples, mangoes.
He likes to go for a drive. Backwards. Tonight, Mater and Lightning are racing in the desert. Big round moon in the dark, dark sky. The chickens are nervous. Do you know why? It's because strange things are happening. One saw a pumpkin with flickering eyes.
Hier, c'était les jours de la sortie. On allait au musée d'histoire naturelle. La maîtresse avait l'air affolée, mais nous ont été très contents. Regarde.
Left leg lazy lion licks a lollipop.
I'm a pout fish, the pout face. So I spread dreary wearies all over the place.
Yeah, I am a pout fish with a pout face and spread the dreary wearies all over the place. Meow, meow, meow.
With a pow face. So I spread the dreary wearies all over the place. Blub, blub, blub. Along comes a squid. Quite a slender, squiggly sight. She is squirmy.
ขอไข่ขอขวดขอควายร้องไง
You know, with his silky moves, and Bill starts dancing. How can a bird dance? But Bill can. He's a special bird. His name is Bill. Remember him. He's such a dancer. He put on the song.
他們一起吃飯、讀書和玩耍。漸漸的，公主發現青蛙既溫柔又幽默，越來越喜歡它。